Rightio, so I'm standing outside the Depot Historical Vehicle and Memorabilia collection. This place is a hidden gem. I'm very excited to show you what's inside. Let's go inside and check it out. Welcome to the Depot, a treasure trove of history and a celebration of life on the road. Located in the heart of Deniliquin, New South Wales, this incredible collection has been lovingly curated by Neville and Debbie Purtle, alongside the rest of the Purtle family, who have been part of the Deniliquin community for 3 generations. Thanks to a partnership with Ampol Australia, this 450-piece collection is now on display, all in one remarkable location. On the first floor, adjacent to the mezzanine, there's the Cadillac Room, which is a unique purpose-built function facility. The Depot is more than a museum. It's an ever-evolving space, and it's designed to captivate and inspire. From cherished memories of the open road, to even history of how life used to be at home, this is a place where history comes alive. There's a fully restored 1948 Fargo fuel tanker, and that's just one of the many amazing vehicles you can see here. Whether you're exploring the rich history of their extensive vehicle collection or hosting a memorable event, the Depot offers something for everyone. I can highly recommend you come and experience a celebration of stories, style and community in the heart of little old Deniliquin. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and click subscribe. I'll catch ya.